Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. Let me tell you something important. Productivity doesn't happen by chance. Productivity actually happens by discipline, strategic discipline. Today, I'm sharing a simple productivity hack called Pomodoro with you. It will help you stay focused, get meaningful work done, and pace yourself gently towards the achievement of your goals. Let's jump right into it. What is productivity? Productivity was discussed in video 52 of this playlist, so go watch it if you haven't, and again as a refresher if you have. One thing people struggle with is the temptation of trying to do everything at once or having too many things going on at the same time. But that is not how productivity works. Real productivity is actually attained by focusing on one thing at the same time, putting your best effort to it, and churning out excellent results before moving on to the next thing. It is not about being busy and doing so many things at once. Let's talk about Pomodoro productivity hack. The idea of Pomodoro is that you work for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break. Then you do so for 4 rounds before taking a long break together. That way, you can focus on one thing, discipline yourself to finish it up, bring out tangible results, then rest before moving on to the next set of things you want to do. If you are new to Pomodoro, you can even start with 15 minutes of focused work and 5 minutes work and then repeat for 4 times before taking a long break. Pomodoro method works because there is a clear beginning and a clear end. You avoid burnout since you can nicely pace yourself, and you can stay disciplined because you know there's a break time in sight. So do the following to get started with Pomodoro. Choose one task, set a timer, work until the timer rings, stop even if you are not done, take your break, then start again. No multitasking, just one task at a time, and 100% focus. In case any distractions come to steal your focus, write down what is distracting you down so you can attend to it later. Silence your phone notifications. Tell anyone distracting you that you are in focus time and you will soon get back to them during your break. Dear emotionally intelligent ones, small disciplined actions done repeatedly lead to big success. So embrace Pomodoro method to help you achieve your goals. And when you're doing your homework, reading, studying, work projects, and lots more. This is how to be strategically disciplined, focus better, and work smarter towards the achievement of your goals. So try Pomodoro from today and see how your productivity skyrockets from now on. Did you enjoy this video? Please give it a thumbs up, put your thoughts in the comments, watch other videos in this playlist, share with other people you love, and subscribe to stay connected for more. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.